The snoring problem you can't afford to ignore. For those who snore without obstructive sleep apnea, nasal obstruction could be the cause. Primary snoring or simple snoring due to nasal obstruction may be the answer to your sleepless nights. As one expert explains, poor nasal breathing can be structural or inflammatory. Breathing through the nose is optimal during sleep. Mouth breathing can cause obstructions and turbulence, leading to snoring. So, the key to quiet nights could be in managing nasal breathing. Simple tests can help identify if you're an open-mouth snorer or a nose snorer. If nasal blockage is the culprit, the increase in resistance can lead to snoring. Most experts agree, nose breathing is superior. It warms and humidifies inhaled air and improves carbon dioxide-oxygen exchange. Excessive mouth breathing can lead to discomforts and chronic sinus issues. Hence, nose breathing is your ticket to a good night's sleep. Good news! Non-surgical treatments like medications to reduce congestion, nasal dilator strips, or cones are available. Weight loss, positional therapy, avoiding alcohol, sedatives, and certain medications also help to minimize snoring. Remember, a quiet night's sleep is just a breath away. Click on the link in the description or go to sleepwillcome.com to get our bundle of the top 5 sleep-related books.